Hi, we are students that attend Harmony Science Academy, and we have recently begun our Algebra 1 year-long PBL project. My partner and I decided on the project Codebreakers as it reflects both of our interests. In this project, we are supposed to be showing how we can use matrices to solve and create a code. So, to begin our project, we first need to look up what a matrix or matrice was, and the definition that popped up was an arrangement of lines and numbers. Obviously, this didn't really satisfy our need of knowing what a matrix was, so we decided to look up pictures and tutorials on how to make this matrix. That helped quite a bit more. So the answer to a matrix is a determinant, so keep that in mind as I will be using this vocabulary term quite a lot during the duration of this video. So to begin, I'm first going to show you how to create a matrix and how to solve it, and then I'll be going into a little bit of detail on how my partner and I executed our project. So to start, let's go into the tutorial on how to make the matrix. So to start, you have your arrangement of lines, and in these lines you have 4 factors. My partner will now tell me what those factors are.
2, 3, 5, 6.
So, to solve this matrix, you first multiply these first 2 terms, and 2 times 6 is 12. Then you subtract the product of these 2 terms, which is 15. So the determinant of this matrix is negative 3. I will show this one more time before going into how we did our project. So again, start with your arrangement of lines and plug in the 4 factors.
6, 8, 10, 9.
You then multiply these first 2, and you get 54 minus the product of these 2, which is 80. And when you subtract these, you get, let's figure this out. So you have 80 minus 54. That's 7, that's 10, that's 4, that's 2. So you have negative 26 as your determinant. So in order to execute this project efficiently, my partner and I decided to first come up with 26 matrices and solve them before plugging them in with letters in order to make it easier on us as a whole. So in order to do this, we just made the matrices, solved it, and put a letter above the answer for that. And we mixed up the letters in the key in order to throw off the opposing side. In this case, because we were pretending that we were like, one side was terrorists, the other was a receiving message, and we had to kind of throw them off.
Department of Defense.
Exactly. On the right side of the board, I have a sample code in which we did already made out. So we started with these matrices, and I don't have the key up here because it would take too much space and time. So we ended up solving these matrices, and we got 8, negative 118, and so forth. And we plugged in the answers for this back into the key in order to solve it, and we got where at when we completed this. All in all, this was a very fun and educational project, and I invite you to try it yourself. And yeah, thanks for watching.